Welcome everybody. This is Rasim from Rasmurtech.com. How you guys doing? I'm doing well. Hopefully you guys are doing well too. Now, we got an exciting video for you guys. If you guys have been following AI, it's just been bananas. Every day there's some new thing that's coming out. And I've been following it. I haven't been making videos, but I have been following it. I've been creating my own projects and stuff like that. I do have ChatGPT. I've downloaded Deepseek. I have pretty much every model you could think of. I've worked with every model, including Llama. In this video, I wanted to create a new series that I'm going to be working on. And this series is going to be creating my own deep research model. If you guys don't know, OpenAI released its own deep research model. And the way it works is the model actually uses ChatGPT 03 and has a connection to all the internet websites, and it's able to crawl every website, get all the information that it needs, and it whatever you ask it, it'll go out to find the most relevant information and create a detailed report for you at the end. This could take as long as like 30 minutes. And yeah, this is the news thing that just came out of OpenAI. Now, since this thing came out, I wanted to access it, but the only way to access it right now is through the ChatGPT's Pro plan, which is $200 a month. Now, I've already tried that out. I canceled my membership, but I figured why not just try it and create my own. And since China has released the Deepseek R1, it's completely open source, meaning you don't need to have it connected to the internet to run the model. You can use something like Llama to run the model locally. And I figured why not just create my own AI agent using Deepseek R1 and have it access the internet and do the deep research for me. So in this video, this is part one of the video series, right? In this video, I wanted to create a prompt, and this prompt will be used to create that project. So I asked it, create me a prompt where I can create my own DeepSeek or my own deep research project using Google API and Bing APIs. That created this, but then I asked it, what are any of the problems that this program or agent can run into? Then it printed this out right here. So then what I did was I went through every one of these with the ChatGPT agent, right? And I asked it, like, create pretty much any possible solution to any of these problems that were listed here. And I went through one at a time, and I pretty much got all the way to the end. And I think I pretty much worked out every problem you could have with this program. So then I asked it, once I was done with that, to print out this prompt, and this is the prompt that it gave me. So I'm not saying that this prompt is going to be flawless. I'm not saying that it's perfect. So I tried to do my best with preventing any problems in the future. It's not going to run flawlessly. Of course, there are going to be problems to run through, but this is the beginning. So this is the code. This is the prompt right here. I'm going to leave this, if you're interested, I'm going to leave this in the description. Anything that I can leave, maybe a link to this whole thing here, if it's possible, I'll leave everything in the description. This video is just video one. In the next couple of videos, we're just going to be working on this agent, building it, going through all the major steps and parts to it. And the biggest problem that I see with this program is actually the crawling part. The reason I say that is because all these websites that this agent's going to have to crawl through, some of them might have, pretty decent crawling methods, but the others might run into some problems. Like, every website's different. They run their structure of their website differently. So that's the only major thing that I can see happening where it runs into crawling problems. But other than that, it should be smooth. All right, so this is pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in this project, please give this video a like and write a comment letting me know you're interested in this project. I'm Rasim from Rasmurtech.com, and thank you guys for watching.